Good morning, guys. Welcome back to market analysis. So today let's look at the forecast for the coming week. So let's start with the Nifty. So Nifty, as you all know, market has given a breakout around this area, 15,000 levels. For 2 days, it survived around the same area, consolidated. On Thursday, it gave a breakdown. On Friday, it made a huge breakup at 15,000 levels, and then again it consolidated for 15,100 levels due to the SBI results. There was a small consolidation, a small fall, and then after the SBI results, market started moving up. So market gave a huge breakout, and then it is close to 15,175 levels. So the next resistance is at 15,245 level and 400 levels. So personally, I'm expecting this week market to reach 15,400 levels. So as per the compound interest, support is at 15,100 and 15,100 levels, and 15,300 and 15,500 is having the resistance. So market is completely bullish. The outlook has completely changed. So again, if it is any dips tomorrow, please buy on dips. SGS Nifty is close to 100 points down. I'm personally expecting these levels to be met, 15,100 levels to retest, and then it will start moving up. So that is a healthy correction. But if market opens gap up and if it starts to sustain above that, please wait for a small consolidation and then please enter. So any huge gap up, please don't jump into the trades. Wait for a retest or a consolidation and please enter in that. So my levels for retest 15,100 levels. If there is nothing, then I will wait for a consolidation. So Reliance, I'm waiting for 2,200 levels as I informed in the last week videos. So Bank Nifty, coming to Bank Nifty gave a huge move on Friday. It gave a gap up close to 33,650 levels. It opened and then non-stop it started moving. Again, this is the area where there was a small consolidation happened due to SBI results, and after that, all the banks, private banks, PSU banks gave a huge breakout. HDFC Bank 64 points move. ICC Bank. So HDFC Bank, if you see, sorry, it has given a huge breakout, and 14,000, like 1,493 levels was the one to watch out. So it has closed and sustained and closed above that level. So this week I'm expecting 15,000 levels and above, at least another 50 points move upside, which will drag the Bank Nifty to another 500 points plus. ICC Bank, the same pattern. Axis Bank I'm expecting close to 780 levels, another 50 points move. So all the banking sectors are in focus now. IndusInd Bank. So please keep this in radar for tomorrow's PRB. So personally, all these banks are going to perform huge in the coming week. If there is any retest, please use that as a buying opportunity. The market is completely changed and it is a buy on dips market. So this is the outlook for Nifty, Bank Nifty. For Bank Nifty, 33,500, 34,500, 35,000 and 35,500 levels is the resistance. 34,500 levels and 34,000 is acting as support. So tomorrow morning, I will share the levels once like the first 15 minutes move has been completed. So coming to the momentum picks. So these are the picks for highly momentum stocks. ACC has given a breakout, is close to a breakout about 2000, 1980 levels. It's going to fly. Pidilite Industries. See, look at this, guys. I'll show you on the day chart. So see the lower low, lower high, lower low, the sentiment has changed and it started flying. So now we'll look for these levels to break out, 1982 levels, and it will start flying. Pidilite Industries already broken out the resistance level and it started moving up. I'm expecting to close to 2000 to 2050 levels. It has broken the resistance 52 week high at 1930 levels. Now it is 40 points up. Another 15 to 20% move I'm expecting. Long-term investors can continue their holdings. Asian Paints about 2850 levels. There is a massive rally. Please check my previous videos. I posted on that. Axis Bank downfall, higher high, higher low. Now it is about higher high. So the market will start moving up. I'm personally expecting 760, 780 levels. And another, wait, let me show on the day chart. So 730, I'm expecting 765, 780 levels. And above 800, 785, above 800, that will be a huge breakout. Astral India, please note this. Look at the chart pattern, how it changed. Bajaj Finance is highly bullish. I will look for a scalp tomorrow around 5600 CE or 5700 CE levels. Lot size is 250. When Bank Nifty moves, Bajaj Finance will give a huge move. Please use this momentum. HDFC Bank. See guys, the sentiments have changed from low, higher, high, lower high, lower lows, and then it started moving up. It's a huge breakout above 1497. I'm expecting 1540. Another 50 points move. So Bank Nifty, if you consider to Nifty, it is almost, Nifty is at all-time high, close to all-time high, but Bank Nifty, if you see, almost 3,000 points, still lower than the all-time high. So soon these 37K levels are coming in a span period of 1 to 2 months. Maybe happening earlier. IndusInd Bank, Birla Corporation. See guys, Birla Corporation I mentioned at the level of 1000 on 12th May. I look for a breakout at 1054 levels in my previous video. If you check, you can understand that. You can see that. So now after 1050, it has closed almost 1322. Now it is at 1250 levels. Almost 200 points move, 300 points move, and then now it is consolidating at this level. This is a very huge breakout. So our picks are like highly momentum and huge breakout stocks only. Please use these levels. So coming to the cash calls. So tomorrow I will look for cement sector stocks. Cement sector, cement stocks are given a huge breakout. Look at this. India Cements. It's going to be a multi-bagger. Please mark my words. It is about these levels, 200, 210, 220 levels. It is going to fly high. It is going to be 2x, 3x, 4x levels. Ambuja Cements, breakout, closed above that area. JK Lakshmi, already broken. It is flying high, 493 levels. JK Cement, KNR Constructions. After a huge consolidation at this area, it started moving up. CRISIL, look at this guys. 374 levels broke out and 397 now. Ready. Above 310. That will be start flying. On mobile. Breakout. Next level. 126. Religare. 98, 99, then 100, 110 levels. So these are my cash picks. which I will be looking for short term to medium term, which will be like 3 to 6 months. JM Financial above 84. Look at these guys, a huge way to go. Ultra Cements. So please keep all these cement stocks in your radar. Everything is already given a breakout. Please use this momentum stocks. So FI data is, I mean, like 60% they are on long, hedged with 54%, 50% levels of shorts. So they are again turned to bullish. They are in the buying spree. So this is the data for tomorrow, which is for Nifty, Bank Nifty, momentum stocks and cash calls. So apart from this, so before that, on the supporting for